Very big. Ikaw galit doon. Very big. Ay, video na. Thanks God. Bayo doon ako kabata. Mga very big na. Kasi kung bali niya gusto mo.
Nga video.
Picture. Ano?
Yes, hello, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy. And by the way, it was 2022, my last vacation, so I just only just now I make edit, so I'm so thankful. And we reunited again with my two loves, and we're happy because even a short period of time. By the way guys, umuwi ako niyan because of the emergency. Okay, so now my two baby before is now very big na. Imagine, after 3 years, hindi talaga mamalayan guys. They are big. And I'm so thankful, everything okay. At continue ang aming paglalakbay kahit 3 lang kami. And so at that time I very happy ang aming bonding, of course. Yes, at syempre bagong dating ang mami, of course, banding to the max ang aking mga langga. So kumain kami ng mga pagkain na hindi ko nakain na matagal. And salamat kahit papano, at least, no, kahit konting budget, ayan, kasi emergency yung uwi natin. And after that, okay, actually guys, nasa city pa lang ako niyan. And after sa banding namin, nag last hour kami, syempre excited na umuwi sa probinsya or sa uma. So di ko to kalain guys, yung aking bonso na boy, naku, very big na, mataas pa sa sakay manang, ayan. So very happy na hindi talaga maintindihan. Hope relate kayo sa mga kapwa OFW, as in yung feeling talaga na hindi talaga kumbaga matumbasan ang happy natin, happy moments natin kapag kasama at banding ang ating mga family. Ayan. So yun na nga. At nandito na kami sa isang restaurant na matagal ko na talagang hindi natikman ang menu na to. So anyway, thank you so much sa aking mga langga na kahit wala si mama beside you guys, ay talagang nag-aral kayo ng mabuti, especially sa aking eldest. Now she's working as engineer, and I'm so thankful, Engineer Bibi, at least, no, treat mo kami, ayan, kumain kami ng bongga, medyo mahal yan ha. Oh, shock ako ha, treat niya si mami, of course, yung aking baby love nga doon, ayan, hope na soon siya naman mag-treat sa aming dalawa ng manang. Well, diba, school lang, at least ilang kinbot na lang, see you again naman mga langga ko. O diba, so continue tayo sa ating journey. God bless us always na wala tayong mga problema at maabot natin yung ating mga goals. And here comes, I want to flex my future Doc Don, my mama's inspiration, my happy pill, my baby love. Now it's big na, so mature na talaga. So happy watching you na ikay always busy, although hindi ma-explain ang mga gastos, pero go lang na go, and I'm sure kaya pa man. So mama is here, always here to support you. until na ikaw ay makatapos sa iyong pag-aral. Ayan. So, yun na nga. So, hope ilang kimbot na lang. So, kita-kit naman tayo para at least mahag ko naman kayo ulit. Diba? Sipag-sipag lang, and I am proud that I have baby now na become a doctor. Ayan. So, I claim that na kahit medyo matagal na si mama dito, pero I am praying na everything will be alright in a perfect time. Alright. So, thank you so much for always there na everyday kinakausap mo si mama na about this, about that. Sometimes shocking talaga ang mga bayarin, pero what to do, nandito na tayo. So we need to cooperate, and of course thankful sa aking Bibi Love, aking engineer Bibi na nandyan sa pag help sa akin maayos at mag-continue ang aming plano. Diba? Especially si aking Baby Love Doc Don. So, thanks for watching. Hope you love my video or you like my video. So, see you again and again. God bless everyone.